Hi, good afternoon and welcome to a new video from Convoy Cars. I'm very happy to present this beautiful, royal, luxury, notorious, modern German machine. This is a 2011 facelift Volkswagen Passat 2.0 TDI automatic DSG 7-speed gearbox. It's a second owner car, done 89,000 kilometers on the odometer, comes in silver color, and this gets everything that you get in an Audi A6 or a BMW 5 Series or a Mercedes E-Class. In fact, it offers even more than what these cars have to offer in the Indian market for a 2011 vehicle. This comes with LED DRLs, automatic headlamps, LED tail lamps, electric sunroof, electrically adjustable leather seats from the factory with memory setup, electrically cold and heated seats from the factory, electrically adjustable ORVM, alloy wheels, 10 airbags, ABS, dual zone automatic climate control, front and rear armrest, whatnot, steering mounted audio controls, Bluetooth, touchscreen infotainment system, front and rear fog lamps, keyless entry, push button start. There's a lot to offer when you talk about a Volkswagen Passat. This is 175 bhp beast, drives mad on road. This is a diesel car and delivers 15 to 16 kilometers in city precisely and about 18 to 19 on highways. It's impossible to match the specs and the techie features of this vehicle in this segment. This is one step ahead of a Skoda Superb or an Audi A6 or a BMW or a Mercedes. I just love this machine to the core. I enjoy driving it. I drove it to this place and I was mesmerized by the feel of the car. This currently is the exterior walk around. As you've already seen that the car doesn't have any scratches or dents on it, non-accidental vehicle. The headlamps, the shell on the headlamp, the glass is a little yellow, and I don't think I should do anything to it because it's not affecting the performance or the look of the car. These are original factory fitted headlamps, come with projector headlights, LED DRLs, and the fog lamps in the bumper as well are absolutely clean. The bumper is intact, no damages on the bumper as well. The majestic looking, royal, yet powerful, luxurious Volkswagen Passat will be shown to you from inside now. This is how the dashboard looks like. Comes with a nice wooden and leather finish with aluminium fittings on the center console. The steering wheel is leather wrapped from the factory. The door trims with wooden and leather finish. Gets sun visors from the factory. Seats absolutely clean. Original leather seats from the factory. Roof lining all original with sunroof. The rear blowers. The legroom here is humongous, very easily accommodable for a 6-foot guy as well. These are the memory settings for the seats. This is the blower or the ventilation system for the seats. So you want to increase the speed of the blower on the seat, or you want to decrease it, you can do it from here. 4 power window switches, electric mirror adjustment switch, lock unlock switch. Look at the door handle, it looks so sturdy, firm. It's 88,416 kilometers done. Comes with a colored display in the center console as well. Let's check what all malfunctions the car does have. Alright, so I see fuel range is low, and then I see that the rear number plate light is not functioning. So that's the malfunction for it, and the fluid for the windshield is low. So that's about it. There are no actual malfunctions on the car like ABS or airbags or traction control or transmission. So that is all clear and absolutely smooth. I have already turned on the ignition. This is the touchscreen infotainment system of this Passat. These are the steering mounted audio controls, so you also get Bluetooth and phone connectivity on the car. This is the dual zone automatic climate control. So this is for the passenger side and this is for the driver side. This is your shift stick. Comes with a sports mode as well as paddle shifters and Tiptronic mode. Gets auto hold, gets electric park brake, gets park assist and the rear sun visor, which is not functioning. Alright, we will go for a spin now. It's big yet sleek and really fun to drive car. It's peppy, fast. You're already on the third gear and above 60 in just about 100-meter distance. Not even 100 meters, in fact it was less than that. There's minor niggling sound from the front, but that's okay. Not to worry about. Nothing requires to be replaced immediately. For another 1.5 years the car can be used as is where is. You don't need to do any kind of repairs or replacements to the car. It's driving beautiful. It's a 2-liter diesel, so a bit of noise inside the cabin, but still I would say much less than any other 2-liter that I have driven. The suspension quality is great. The steering is absolutely smooth. The seats are really comfortable. The gear shifting is something you would not even know when did the gear shift, and it's really quick. Yet delivers around 15-16 in city, about 18-19 on highways, and that's really astonishing. That's really a very good advantage that you get when you own such a vehicle, that you have the power in your hand and yet economy for your pocket. You can see the vehicle in Navi, Mumbai, in Kamote or in Nerul, sector 19, plot number 37, Kaneri CHS. And the price of this vehicle is merely 6,40,000 rupees. Feel free to contact me on 9768001006. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number if you want me to share some photos or this video link on WhatsApp so that you can share it with your friends and family. Do visit, take a test drive. I'm sure you'll love this vehicle. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.